right, we are now under the van, and let's take a look at this. Here is our shift linkage, free as can be, just dangling, missing the bushing here in the center, which would then connect onto this device, the shifter of the transmission. Right now we do have it in park. If you are stranded on the road, you can get this out of the way and make sure the vehicle has the emergency or parking brake on, and then you can shift into neutral, park, whatever gear you need to. But we're going to get this bushing installed that is missing and then reattach it to the transmission. So here we have our bushing. It is halfway into our shift linkage. This one is rubber. It's pretty malleable, and so we should be able to push it with our hands. If we can't, we do have some vice grips to kind of assist, but it's rubber, so just kind of pushing it in, wiggling it into position should work. I've never tried it with this kind, but here we go. We pulled it through. Seems to have fit back into place, and now all we have to do is push this back on to the transmission linkage. So it is in place, but you can see it's a little bit loose. So this is the new one we got. You can tell the old one is looking pretty bad. Just be able to find it. It's been worn out. So this is very similar in the inner diameter hole there. So we're gonna put these in some hot water. Got a Starbucks cup with some hot water. We're gonna soak those. Okay, so we have our bushing halfway into the shift linkage here, and we're gonna see if we can try to push it all the way through with our fingers. We got it almost through. You can see on the back side, half of it is through, but we still need to get the rest of it through, and we don't want it bunched up and curling because then it's not gonna seat properly. So we're just gonna continue to kind of push and coax it in. And there we go, I think we got it. Oh, almost. If you look right here, it's still curled up, and that is what we don't want. So we want to straighten that out, otherwise our bushing is not going to sit properly. There we go, take a look at that. Now it is sitting flush all the way around, so we are good there. And now we can zoom back out a bit. We're going to push this onto our shifter. You see how it's going right into, right in there. So now when we push it, you get a nice click. And look at that, that's solid. And we'll be able to shift the vehicle now. So let's go see if it works. All right, we got our bushing in. Let's see if we can shift the vehicle now. We are shifting. How awesome is that? And you notice this has actually got like tension now. So we're gonna go ahead and let our friend know that this is fixed and it's good to go. So just as a recap, this was a 2014 GMC Savana 2500. We replaced the shift linkage. You see the old one there is broken. Left our friend stranded. Now this kit does come with two. It's possible that there might be another end on the shift linkage that could use a replacement. If you're wondering about how we had such good lighting under the vehicle, we had two of these Harbor Freight Braun flashlights. Super awesome, very bright and flexible. These things flex any direction you want. It's really cool. It's got a light on that side, light on the front, a nice magnet on the back. That thing can stick to almost anything. They are rechargeable. And now it is good to go. We'll call our friend, let him know his car is good to go. Hope you guys enjoy the video.